Dear Technovation community, I'm Vilas Dhar, the president of the Patrick J. McGovern Foundation, and I'm honored to stand with you, to recognize the work you've done, the skills you've gained, and the boldness it takes to build something new. Wherever you are in the world, whatever language you speak, and however you're feeling right now, proud, hopeful, know this, your presence here is no accident. You've chosen to take on a challenge that matters. You've invested your time, your energy, and your imagination into something bigger than yourself. And that decision already makes you a leader. Let's take a moment to understand the scale of the movement that you've joined with Technovation. Over 150,000 girls and young women have taken part in Technovation over the years. Each season, about 20,000 join from more than 50 countries. And together, participants have built more than 10,000 technology solutions. Real tools that respond to real problems in real communities. All of this supported by a global network of over 15,000 mentors and volunteers. These are more than numbers or statistics. They reflect the momentum of a generation that is choosing to create rather than wait. I've seen it firsthand, teams coding apps to improve public health or support mental well-being or solutions for clean water and food security and education. What connects all of them is the decision to build with purpose. We say that this is a time for change makers, and that's never a slogan. To me, it's a reflection of what you've already shown us. You saw a challenge in your community and you chose to act. You learned to code, you designed an interface, you built a solution that didn't exist before. This is what power to the innovator looks like. It means recognizing your ability to solve problems, to think creatively, and to keep going even when the answers aren't obvious. And power to the girl means honoring the voice, the vision, the leadership that each of you brings. Your perspective and your work can transform the world. Through this process, you've been given a set of tools, and now you have a chance to practice with them. But I think you've probably discovered something more enduring. You've learned to keep asking questions that don't have easy answers. You've learned that leadership begins with empathy, and you've learned that innovation often starts when others give up. It's easy to believe that power lives in a title, a job, or a system, but what you've proven is that it also lives in the effort you've made, the hours you spent building, and the commitment you've shown to solving real problems. You've done the hard part, you started, and the rest is still in your hands. So as we prepare to honor this year's finalists, I want to leave you with this. You've already achieved something meaningful. You've grown, you've led, you have created, and no outcome can take that away from you. Celebrate what you've built. Celebrate the person you are becoming, and recognize that the future is taking shape and your fingerprints are already on it. Power to the girl, power to the innovator, power to you. Thank you so much.